everybody, it's Haley. Today we are making some vegan chocolate chip cookies and they are going to be so good you won't even be able to tell the difference. And we're also going to make them gluten-free just because it's really easy to do that, but you can make them normal, like with normal flour if you want to do that also. So let's get started. To start off here, I have half a cup of shortening, or you can use vegan butter or coconut oil. Then I'm adding 1 cup of brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And I'm gonna mix that all together until it's well combined. And by the way, I'm not just guessing for these measurements, I'm weighing it on a scale. That's why I'm not using measuring cups. Then you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of dairy-free milk. I'm using unsweetened almond milk. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Love the vanilla. Vanilla's amazing. Then mix that all together. This might be easier with a whisk. And I probably should have used a whisk for the sugar and shortening as well, but I'm gonna use a whisk to mix that all together. Okay, then we're gonna add 1 3/4 cups or 240 grams of flour. I'm using this gluten-free flour, but you can use whatever flour you want. And then we're also adding half a teaspoon of salt on top of the flour and a teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm going to use my spatula to mix the flour in. Then to finish, add 1 cup of dairy-free vegan chocolate chips and mix those in. Ooh, looks so yummy. Okay, these cookies are out of the oven. I'm so excited to try because I'm very curious to see how they turned out with all the adjustments we made. So, ooh, they're still soft. Oh my gosh, so gooey. I baked mine for like maybe 9 minutes. Oh my goodness, so gooey. These baked perfectly. They're not like super crispy. I think one thing they need is a little sprinkle of salt on top, just because of the gluten-free flour. I don't know why, it makes it taste a little different. But these are so good. They have the perfect texture of a normal cookie. Amazing. Let me know in the comments if you try this recipe and what other recipes you want to see me make. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and click up here or up here for more healthy or allergy-friendly vegan recipes. I'll see you next time. Bye!